Okay. So, and we are going to be analyzing the 25 1S index. So, and this is it, how you can identify market is on downtrend. This is it. You notice price constantly making a higher highs, then and making higher low, then started going down. You notice these highs wasn't able to be broken. These highs wasn't able to be broken. This is the only way you are going to identify that price is still on downtrend on the volatility 75, sorry, 25 on S index. So the price is sloping down, telling us that the sellers are in the market. And then you notice these lows are constantly being broken. These lows constantly being broken. These lows constantly being broken. These lows constantly being broken. This is when you can identify that the price is on downtrend. So if it's an uptrend, you notice that the highs will constantly being broken. You see it, these highs being broken, this high being broken, this high being broken. This is when you can consider that price is currently an uptrend move. You see it, this high is being broken, this high is being broken. See it. When it changed character was when it came back and then take out this low. Yeah, this is a little bit okay. This is a second hit here, and then went back, wasn't able to break this high. What happened? Change back down. This is a low that I created, push back, took out this low, came back again, took out this low. So the lows now are constantly being broken, telling us that the sellers are in the market. What we have to be looking out for is selling opportunity. We are not buying, we are just looking out for a selling opportunity. So what we have to do is to go down to the 4 hours time frame. If we go down to the 4 hours time frame, you notice that this high is what price created. And then when it broke down, then it retraced to this high and went back down again. This currently on the 4 hours time frame. This is what it's doing on the 4 hours time frame. This is the high, and then came back here to create this low. You notice the lows are being constantly being broken, telling us that the sellers are in the market. This low being broken, telling us that the sellers are in the market. This low being broken, telling us that the sellers are in the market. So what we have to do is to mark out this high again. So price can come here and still make a pullback. Price can come here and then sellers can take over, make a pullback. When broken, it targets to this other zone. Then before the sellers can then continuously, because we are looking for a selling opportunity. So we are not looking for a buying opportunity. So we have to be patient for price to come into this zone. Then we continuously selling or go back to this zone. Then we continuously selling 25 on this index. So we'll go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the price is doing at the 4 hours time frame. These are 1 hour time frame. You notice 1 hour time frame here, price came to this low and then consolidated, pushed down. And then you notice this low was broken and then this low was broken. Sellers are still in the market. What price can do is to still push in here, at least come here, give us an equal low. I think what price can do is to come here, right? Let me delete this. What price can do is to come here, give us a follow, pull back down to this zone. Then from here, if you see our formation, you say like when price trace on this particular zone down. Then you see you didn't see our formation on that particular zone, and then you saw it here. Let's say you saw it and in the opposite way around, which around here, we notice that the price is continuously buying back to this zone. Then this the zone you'll be looking for the confirmation for the sellers. See it. So if it doesn't see this formation here, you look for it above here. This is it. Look for it here. Then the sellers will keep on selling. See it. This is where the sellers have more power to push the price, and where you will be able to make more profits is when you're waiting for it to come back at this high. When you're waiting for it to come back at this high, this is where you'll be taking enough profit from the markets. So I think this is 1 hour time frame. And then if we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, still the same thing, waiting for the price. Actually, it's waiting for price to come back here. It gave us multiple rejections. Come back here, give us another rejection, push back up. Then you wait for our double top confirmation here. Then we can join the buyers, or we have patience, wait patiently for the buyers to come in here, give us a selling opportunity. We sell with the price. I think same thing that will happen here is same thing that will happen here. If price will definitely come here, there will be a pullback. So if you wait for confirmation, you sell pullback. and then you exit, then price you definitely, if you give you an equal low here, then it's going to break these highs, targeting these highs, then you sell massively. This is where you sell massively. And then here, if you are selling, you can sell to this low. If price didn't get to this low before continuously going, you sell to this low. Then if this low is being broken,
Okay, sir.
it's being broken, let's say price didn't respect this low and it came down, break out, we trace on it, that means it's telling that it's continuously selling down.
Okay, that's the question I want to ask. In this 15-minute time frame, this one, the market is experiencing consolidation. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah, now price is experiencing consolidation, you see it. And this particular
yes.
price is
It looks like the buyer is really fighting from this region. Yes.
yeah. So what you have to do, once price break out of this high, it have changed character. So the buyers will take the
Hey,
money
give a
back.
clap. Hey,
So if this
online.
price change, there's it. If price should break this high, it have changed character. This is a high that price can break it and change character back to this high. So you can still join the buyer
Okay.
if they take out this high, then back to this high. Depend on what the price is
Hey,
showing.
from my look. Zoom clap.
If price should break this,
Maybe.
I know that the sellers are still
Hey, correct.
price.
You know, you go to ball. I like it. I'm not the 1,000 and